It is a new year and it is time to get organized. So check out our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I've curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And these are amazing in a couple of choices, which are fantastic. These are our ginger jar canisters. So ginger jar is one of those beautiful, elegant shapes that we then made purposeful in the fact that it's pretty with that beautiful silhouette, purposeful in the fact that on their two large ones, we've added that silicone seal. So it's gonna help keep things airtight and watertight, which is fantastic, pretty purposeful and practical. And then of course, all the different ways you're gonna use them. So the large one is gonna be your 2 quart, the smaller one's gonna be your 1 quart. As we mentioned, that beautiful silicone seal is also included. And when I tell you that is a beautiful seal, that is a beautiful seal there. Look at that silicone all the way around the edges. You can take it off if you wanna go ahead and wash it. And then the best part is, again, keeping everything nice and fresh. Also available, a set of 3 of our 8 ounce. These do not have the silicone because we're talking about things in here like tea bags, sugar cubes, some of those things that you want to get in and day out, not huge storage pieces, but perfect as a beautiful trio that you would want to add maybe to your kitchen countertop, maybe in a powder room. So love the fact that you can pick up either the 2 quart and the 1 quart. This is our woodland pattern, by the way. Beautiful carved detail, color saturation around the edges. This is one of our classics. This is called Old World. And this is, of course, is our beautiful floral lace. Floral lace has that carved detail around the edges, beautiful beading around the top, and then of course that great 8 ounce capacity in a set of 3. So where can you find these pretty practical and purposeful ginger jar canisters? Head over to temp-tations.com. You can check out all 3 patterns and the colors we have available.